Hey everyone, how's it going? It's day number 19, 21 days to a clean home journey, and we are working on getting our homes organized and almost more importantly, getting ourselves organized. So today we're gonna talk about something that has been a total game changer for me. It's meal planning. And I know meal planning doesn't sound super exciting and it's not something I get super jazzed up about either, but in the middle of the week, when things are crazy, you don't know what to make for dinner, this is what's going to save you. So I highly recommend, both for a personal sanity standpoint and for a financial standpoint, try meal planning this week with me. Even if you just do dinners, I know a lot of people do breakfast, lunch, dinners, even snacks if they've got kids going to school, that's awesome. I mostly just stick to dinners. It just really helps me get to the end of the day and figure out what I'm going to do. All right, so let's get started. My meal planning is super simple. You've probably seen on the weekly cleaning schedule, there's a little section called menu. That's where I write it in. So I don't actually put in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I just put 7 days worth of meals in here that I have on hand that I can cook. And then whatever day I feel like having something, I have it. This way, I don't feel obligated to make something that I maybe run out of time for, I just don't feel like. So I just put 7 days worth of meals. Let's start with the easiest one, because there's always gonna be leftovers. I always write leftovers right at the bottom. And as a special treat to ourselves, if we don't have leftovers left, we write takeout. So leftovers or takeout, one meal taken care of. The next thing I do is I go into my fridge, go into my freezer, see if I have anything that's jumping out at me and plan some meals around those. So let's have a look. So I have a bag of shrimp. So let's do a shrimp stir fry. And I have some taco shells, and I think, yep, I have some fish. I'm gonna make fish tacos. And then, ooh, I have a beef sirloin butt steak. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna write it down. So I'm gonna write butt steak and salad. We always have salad, we always have salad. All right, and then I know in the freezer I have a chicken carcass, so I'm gonna do a chicken corn chowder. Oh, and so then let's go in here. Tofu, so let's do a tofu bun salad. It's kind of like pad thai. I'll write the recipe below. And then, oh, I know. We'll have spaghetti because spaghetti is probably my favorite food. So I'm gonna put spaghetti. So, that's my meal plan for the week. I actually made most of it with things I already have in the fridge. Now when I make my grocery list to go shopping, I pretty much just have to fill it in with a lot of vegetables. Like I say, we have a salad every single night. And then anything that I need for my stir fry or that I want to put in my tacos, I usually get some cabbage and some cilantro, some lime, make a really nice little slaw. Make sure that I have all the ingredients for bun salad. And then, yeah, hopefully we don't have leftovers and we can get takeout because yum. So that's my meal planning strategy. It's super simple. The key is just to, don't get crazy with meal planning, get into a recipe book and try to do all new recipes for a week. If I'm gonna do a new recipe, I try to just do one every week. So I know I've got my butt steak. I'm gonna have to look something up to make with that because I've never cooked a butt steak before. So I honestly don't even know what it is. So I'll have to look that up, cook a new thing there, but everything else is my tried and true recipes. And as always, if you have great ideas, especially easy to make meals for busy people, please make sure you share them in the comments. I love scrolling through and seeing what you guys are making. It gives me the best ideas ever. All right, that's it for day 19. I hope you get a chance to make a meal plan and you're looking forward to the week ahead, feeling a little bit less stressed about what to make for dinner. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so there we go. Meal plan is done for the week, a check mark there. And then if you have your menu done, I want to see it. So make sure you share those meals with me in the comments or go over to Instagram and show me what you're cooking this week. I can't wait to see. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series and let me know how you're making out with your progress.